Hello everyone. Uh, this is the review for the Sonic Screwdriver Torch, based on the 10th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. So, this packaging it came with. Just got it today. Yeah. And also, here it is. Well, that's kind of what it does. Like, if you want to get one, here's a review if you're sure of getting one or not. But yeah, it does a light when you push this thing up. And also, I'd recommend not pulling this off, this black part at the very end, because it wouldn't really go back on for me, and then I had to glue it back on, so probably wouldn't recommend doing that. So the LED glows blue, and there's, see if we can get some better light. Yeah, there's all like the stuff you need probably if you need maybe to replace the batteries. You can go to Xeon.com and probably get one. And yeah, so I'm really satisfied with the things, even if it just does this. Still cool. So I'm not saying like that even if it just does this, I'm not saying it like sucks. It's still pretty cool. So I got this one for like $13, or no, 14. Yeah, David Tennant's and Christopher Eccleston's Sonic Screwdriver. So yeah, if you can probably get one off of eBay for $14. This is where I got mine from eBay. Arrived in the mail today. So just again, please, I'd recommend not taking this off, because I couldn't put it back on, and had to glue it back. Unless you somehow want, or for some reason you just want to take it off, then try to put it back on, but then you try gluing it, and then I guess that works. So, goodbye.